Take a look at this, guys. All you just got to do be to repost and you're gonna get free Solana cryptocurrency. Yes, you can withdraw it and you can get paid into your wallet. The Work.fun platform is a new platform that just got started and you can use it to earn free Solana crypto for doing micro tasks. It is very fun and easy to use. If you want to know exactly how it works and how you can withdraw, this video is for you. This is what the Work.fun actually is all about. It says it can help communities in the trenches grow stronger. You can support projects, amplify voices, and get rewarded for your engagement. You can create a job and give other people jobs as well. You know how micro websites works. Currently, there's 19 active jobs that you can earn by participating and completing them. This is how much has been earned in the past 24 hours. This is how much repost that has been done in the past 24 hours. It is as easy as, let's say, you can repost and get free Solana. This is an example of an open job. Yeah, you just have to repost and you can see the reward 9 cents. And this is how much it is in Solana crypto. This is how long it is going to take you to complete, 5 minutes. The more you come down below, you're going to see a lot of open tasks or open micro tasks that you can do. It is basically doing social media tasks. The platform only got started recently. You can even earn as low as 1 cent, but you can see how high you're earning, as high as almost 10 cents for just doing one task. Now look at this. It says this particular platform for social media engagement rewards you in Solana crypto. All you got to do is to connect your wallet, repost content, and you're gonna earn free Solana rewards instant. I know that it is paying because I have seen people getting paid, but I have no right to share the payment proof. Personally, I have not been paid, but I'm gonna introduce it to you because it is paying. So while trying to make my research, I could not find some reviews on the platform, and that's simply because the domain only got registered around 22nd of September, meaning it just got started. So a lot of people will want to join and see what the platform is all about. So do not miss this opportunity at all. Today is only the 27th of September. If you find the video that you're watching right now useful, then you can support the channel by subscribing to it. I would also appreciate if you can turn on the notification bell to all. This way, whenever I post a video, you are going to get a notification of it. You can support the video further by liking and also dropping a comment if you have any question. So if you do want to join, you need a wallet, but check out the description of this video. I'll leave a link for you to join, and once you click on that link, click on to connect your wallet. Since it is a Solana project, you have to connect your Solana wallet, so I am gonna go with the Phantom wallet. For some reason, it keeps saying unexpected error, so if you face something like this, I'll suggest you open it inside the Phantom wallet instead. Immediately it has opened it up, and I'll click on to connect. You have to sign the message. Once you click at the top, you're gonna realize that your wallet has been connected and this is your account balance. Okay, so all you got to do now will be to start earning. Click on to start earning, and all you got to do will be to repost to earn the Solana reward. And look at this, then it's just about 25 people, I think. And take a look at this, 22 cents. Okay, this one is actually the highest I have seen so far. So you want to do the tax, you have to click on to repost, but I think it is for just 25 people. So yeah, you can see that this one is available for 999, and you can see that it has not really gone far. So let's click on to repost, and now you have to connect your X account to start earning. So I think the requirement for you to connect an X account is you must have 50 followers, and I think they do this because they want you to be able to reach some audience at least, and probably they know a lot of people are gonna create fake accounts to try to claim the reward, so you need at least 50 followers to be able to do this. So connect your X account. Once you're at your profile just as this, all you got to do will be to come down below and copy out the verification code they sent to you. And once you copy it out just as this, you have to post it on your X account, whatever X account you want to use. Make sure you have 50 followers. Once you post it, you must get the link to the post, and put it right here to verify it. So let's go post it. So just do what to click on to post. After pasting it, click on to verify now. It is verifying and it has been verified. So this way your account has been connected. Once you come below, you're gonna see your account right here. So you have to go back to check for jobs. At the top, you click on all jobs. This way you'll be able to filter it. You're gonna see the open jobs, the highest reward, and so on. When I started recording this video, I started yesterday, but I was having a lot of glitch, so we cannot see those high paying tags anymore. Currently, it is just one tag available, and this is it. You have to repost to get 3 cents. So this is how much so it currently is, and all you got to do will be to click on to repost. This is the particular post, and I'm just gonna click on to repost right now. I have reposted it, so you have to go back. Now the cool thing about this is the fact that you do not have to click on to verify. They'll verify it automatically, and here's what it says: cooldown is active, your repost is being processed. That said, you already reposted this, so you have to wait for this time. They are going to confirm your repost and they'll give you your reward. This is how easy it is, and I noticed that there's more tags available. Once you come back to all jobs, you're gonna see this is what I'm talking about. There is now a new job available and it is giving 6 cents. I am going to tell you that you should try to be fast so that you can get the most reward. So yeah, they pay a high amount of money for doing the easiest task, something you usually do before for free. So this is how to post to earn on the Work.fun. So if you want to check the situation of the tax that you just did, you have to come right here to the top and come over to where it is earning. So look at this, it is pending, and when they confirm it, we'll get the reward. So make sure you do the tax completely. And this My Job Center is if you do create a job. That is if you want to give people some jobs. If you want to invite to earn, you have to come to the top and come over to your profile. Then right here, this is your personal profile link. You have to copy it out and start inviting friends. This way you're going to be able to earn from them. And look at this. You can also see your earnings for the past 24 hours and your earnings for the past 7 days. So back at the top right here, and you come over to the referrals. This way you're gonna get the full history for your referrals. Okay, you're gonna see their information. And now let's talk about withdrawing. If you want to withdraw, you have to come back to your profile. Then here you can see your wallet, you can see your level, and you can see how much so you have available. So the incredible thing about the platform is the fact that you can withdraw as little as $1. So remember, we saw some tax that was even as high as 22 cents, but you have to be fast. Imagine you do 5 of the tax already, you're getting close to this amount if you haven't passed it already. So it's easy earning here, unlike some other platforms. I know some micro platforms out there that the minimum has to be $10, but this is just $1. And since you have already connected your wallet, click on to withdraw your balance and the withdrawal will be processed. So many users say they got paid instantly, so you can get paid instantly or within 24 hours. And coming down below, you'll be able to see the history. You're gonna see the status. Have you been paid or is it still pending? You're gonna see it right here, the transaction ID, the amount, and the date. So give the Work.fun a try and you can earn free Solana crypto in return that you could take out immediately.